Hey everyone, so in our earlier video we were talking about the 2017 McLaren 570S we just did. We just got in the 2018 McLaren 720S Coupe 2 days after the white one. So we got that one delivered on Monday, we got this one delivered on Wednesday. Obviously you can see we get a lot of these high-end supercars, especially the McLarens and Lamborghinis. We kind of want to show the difference between the 570 and the 720. So the 570 has a 3.8 liter twin turbo, 562 horsepower engine. The 720S is a 4 liter twin turbo, 692 horsepower. So we want to show the differences. Obviously they're both coupes. We do get a lot of spiders, but the coupes are honestly, they seem to get crashed less for some reason. I don't know why. But in my opinion, I mean, we've seen all there is in all the exotic cars. And granted, yeah, I mean, you can't really beat, you know, a Lamborghini Aventador door that goes up. But the McLaren 720S Coupe that has the full folding door with the glass roof is something special. It's almost like the Senna where, you know, it's like the whole thing is just opening up to you, and it just wants you to go in and drive it fast. I really enjoy the look of that, and it's definitely iconic. Those are the little differences in the drivetrains. Obviously the 720S is more performance-based, more power, better handling, you know, higher end. I mean, they're double the money of a 570S. You always got to have the entry level versus the, you know, the next step up.
So here's the interior of this beautiful McLaren. Beautiful gold wing doors. See that nice wing up there? That door was kind of busted. You gotta take it off to take the seat out. There's the front end.
How heavy is this door? It's heavy.
Again, check out our eBay store, AZ Cycle Parts, and follow us on Instagram at AZ Cycle Parts for previews of upcoming inventory, fresh deliveries. Watch our stories. We're always, you know, giving tidbits of what's to come, so you can jump on it right away and get what you need. Again, if you got any comments, questions, suggestions on different content you'd like to see, please let us know. We'll do what we can to get you what you want to show. And stay tuned to our channel. Like and subscribe. That helps us do what we do for you. Thank you.